Hello and welcome to our magical garden. In this video, I wanted to capture the magic of the first snowfall during the day and in the evening.
Look at how beautiful our garden looks and how structural in this pristine snow. I don't even think we've had any critters, although I can see some paw prints in there, but I don't think we've had many critters walking through. That's my favorite thing in the snow, finding critter tracks and trying to identify what's been in our garden.
I deliberately didn't shovel the path because I wanted to leave it pristine for this video.
And isn't that wonderful, the little spot of color those fish make?
Yes.
They're beautiful. They're the little gems of the garden with the winter snow. We had quite a good snowfall. And look at the leaves. The leaves are in the pond. And there's Franklin.
He was helping me fly the drone. Now we move into nighttime in our garden, which is, I think, particularly magical.
And look at the garland that we hung weeks ago on a good day when the weather was really warm. They look so pretty, the light shining through looks so pretty.
It's difficult to believe that this is nighttime, it's so bright because of the snow.
And look at this fox. We've never had a fox visit our garden before, but we caught him on the camera, and we know he hasn't visited before because he almost fell in the pond. And it looks like he's getting a drink.
Yep. Yeah, settling down for a nice drink. Before leaving, quite happy.
Right. He visited before the snowfall, and so did this little possum.
I think he's looking to get a drink too.
He's trying, but he can't get close to the water.
The pond does attract quite a number of different critters. There he goes. It's our fountain covered.
And years ago, we hung lights in some of our trees. They look beautiful. I'm going to admit that I am not a real fan of winter, but I have to admit, and I'm a Chicago native, but I have to admit that in the winter, our garden looks so beautiful, I can truly appreciate it.
So thank you for watching. We enjoyed sharing this little bit of magic with you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.